Welcome to yoga. You won't need anything for your practice today. So when you're ready, meet me in child's pose. With your knees wide, arms extending out in front of you, relax your head, neck, and shoulders, and take a big inhale through your nose, out your mouth. Again, in through your nose, and relax as you breathe out through your mouth. One more time in and out. Now seal your lips and continue breathing smooth and deep in and out through your nose. But lift up slightly so you can thread your right arm underneath. Come to lie down on your right shoulder. Right temple rests down on your mat. And with your eyes gently closed, feel the tension releasing from your upper back with each deep breath. Then replace your right hand and thread your left arm underneath. Our yoga practice has a way of meeting us exactly where we are. So allow yourself to show up to your practice today exactly as you are. The thoughts, the baggage, whatever is going on right now, invite it onto your mat with you. Dethread the needle, and with your forehead still touching the mat, interlace your hands behind your lower back. Press your knuckles up to the ceiling for a chest expansion. And if it feels good, you can rock a little bit side to side, opening through your chest and shoulders. Whatever's going on in your life today, whatever's on your mind, on your heart, invite it to this practice, so that you can process as you practice. Because yoga has a way of meeting us exactly where we are. So release your hands down. Rise up into a tabletop. For a couple cat-cow spinal waves, drop your belly, lift your chin as you inhale. Round your spine, tuck your chin as you exhale, and keep it going with your breath. Feel free to add any other movement that feels good for you today. Come back to a neutral spine on your hands and knees. And lift your left heel up to the ceiling. Reach back with your right hand to grab onto your ankle. Maybe your toes, maybe your pants. When you make contact, roll your shoulder open and then reach your toes up, lifting and bowing your body open for 3, 2, 1. Slowly release and reach your arm and leg out long from each other into swimmers, as if someone's playing tug of war with your ankle and your wrist. Firm up your core to support your body in the middle. Big inhale. Exhale, tap your right elbow to your left knee underneath. You'll have to round your spine to make this happen. Inhale to reach, lengthen. Exhale to tap, round it out. Inhale, reach. Exhale, tap. Last, reach. Then back to tabletop, and let's switch sides. Reach your right heel up to the ceiling. Reach back with your left hand and grab onto your ankle. When you make contact, make sure you roll your shoulders open, stacking your left on top of your right. Then use the strength of your leg to lift up in this pose, reaching your toes up to the ceiling. 3, breath is deep. 2, 1. Gentle release and reach your arm and leg out long for swimmers. Core is firm and supportive. Big breath in. As you breathe out, tap your elbow to knee. Round your spine. Exhale everything from your lungs. Then inhale to reach. Exhale to tap. Inhale, reach. Exhale, tap. Last, reach, make it strong. Then back to your tabletop. Walk your hands forward for puppy dog pose. Keep your hips above your knees as much as you can. Lower your chest and your forehead down to your mat. You'll feel a big opening through your chest and shoulders. As intense as this may be, focus on a breath that is deep and calm. And this is a good posture to remind you that it is unnatural for us to open our bodies, for us to open ourselves and to be vulnerable. Naturally, we want to cover everything up, especially when it comes to the vital organs in our chest and our torso. But when you can open yourself up and allow yourself to be vulnerable, you can experience massive growth, compassion, gratitude, happiness, and peace. From here, come forward onto your belly, setting up for a low cobra. So with your hands underneath your shoulders, elbows pointing up to the ceiling, zip your legs together behind you, press the tops of your feet down into the mat, and peel your chest up using only the muscles in your back. Try not to crane your neck. Gaze is just a few inches out in front of you so you can lengthen through all sides of your neck. Then as you breathe, you'll feel your belly bob into the mat, lifting a little higher with each inhale. 3, 2, 1. Gentle release, then press into your hands, lift up and back into your child's pose. Hips to your heels. Then find your deep breath as it travels up and down your spine, massaging the tension into relaxation. With each exhale, your hips soften, your lower back relaxes, your shoulders, neck, and jaw relax. Walk your right hand over to the right edge of your mat. Then walk your left hand over to place on top of your right. Relax into place, no straining. Just use your breath to create a little more space between your ribs and under your left shoulder. Then walk your hands back through center and find the left side of your mat with your left hand. Place your right hand on top. Relax into place and deepen your breath. In and out through your nose. Each exhale an opportunity to let go of the tension that no longer serves you. Come back to center. It's completely normal for you to feel uncomfortable, even vulnerable, when opening yourself up. But don't avoid the things that are uncomfortable. It's when you step outside of your comfort zone that you grow. And in this way, when you can open yourself up, you allow yourself to experience more compassion, connection, happiness, and peace. Namaste.